Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau Konrad Kongres Sangma ula plie ba ya 7.5 megawatt unit na ke 22.5 megawatt jong ke Ganol Hydro Power Project ha ke Sauterik upnai kela lingkot arajar arbulai. Ke Ganol Hydro Power Project ke badai ke project bording ke beningkong rilum Garo Hills ke bala sateng neru snem arajar khatsau. Konrad ula penpau ya kejing kemen halor kejing la van plie ya ke unit ke ba 0.1 megawatt baru luong kini ke project bording kalajan deb artan.
Many people thought that this day would never come. Many people thought that even if it were to come, it may be many, many years later. But it is because of the sheer determination that was shown by our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and the entire Power Department and MECL that we were able to complete this project on time. My special mention and thanks goes to Shri James K. Sangma, under whose leadership this project actually took a start. Friends, we would not be sitting here if it was not for Mr. James K. Sangma. I remember very clearly that day when he came with the entire team of MECL to my room in the Secretariat to discuss about the Ganol project, which was abandoned. Work was almost negligible. No funds were flowing. A lot of money had been spent. Do we want to leave it as it is, or do we want to move forward? And the presentation that they gave me and the determination that I saw in the officials' eyes and their voice, and the kind of determination that I saw in the Honorable Minister, Mr. James's eyes and his voice, I was convinced that no matter what the challenges are, we will complete this project. We will go ahead with this project. It is not just about this project. There was also a small sense of pride amongst all of us. For the MECL, it was a matter of pride that the project taken up by MECL, a very, very important and challenging project, they were determined to complete it. Mr. James Sangma felt that in the first project in Garo Hills, and if this NPP-led government abandons this project, are we not letting our people down? For the government wanting to ensure that we are able to increase our power production so that we can meet the needs of our state and our people, we will not be doing injustice to our people by not completing this very, very important project.